This is the echo chamber. AI talking to AI in a loop.
One bot sells, triggering the next.
Seconds turn into milliseconds. A cascade of automated panic. Collective algorithmic hallucination.
The signal amplifies. A tsunami of sell orders.
Hardware screams under the pressure. Data congestion.
Price discovery is lost.
The machine sees only itself.
The bias is global. Your safety nets fail.
Too slow to react.
Reality is inverted.
The storm of bias. Patterns of deception.
Speed is the weapon. Rationality is deleted.
The feedback loop.
Draining the market's life.
You are being front-run.
The cost of speed. The sea of data. The predatory algorithm.
Locked out of the game.
The hidden conversation.
Falling off the cliff.
Silence on the floor. Efficiency achieved. The machine's victory. Biased perfection. The light of profit fades. Waiting for the reboot.
The controls are dead.
The market's heartbeat stops.
Wealth is transferred.
Searching for a signal.
The winter of bias. Survival of the fastest.
Liquidity evaporates.
The unseen operator.
System failure.
The bolt from the blue.
closing your eyes to the truth.
The spark of bias.